Hey, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Derrell.
And this is Taste Off,
The show where you challenge us to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes.
We go to the restaurant, we try it, and then we come back here and recreate it in 30 minutes.
And then the challenger comes on and tells us who did a better job.
It's definitely me.
It'll always be me.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
I don't know if we're even allowed to be here this early right now. We're in the Tastemade offices, and we are here for a breakfast challenge. That's why
I have no idea why we're here this early. So, we better check out this video that Erin, this challenge from Erin.
Hi, I'm Erin, and my favorite food is the sweet squash pancakes at Bondi Harvest. And I challenge you to make them.
Oh.
Squash pancakes. Can't
With
say I've
avocado in the middle of them.
Can't say I haven't had that before.
That is mad weird.
I don't know. Let's not knock it until we try it.
Fair enough.
So Bondi's right around the corner. Let's just take
enough.
a little walk down the road. Hi guys.
Here we
How
are.
are you? Good. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Bondi.
We're here. Let me not. Oh, just stop doing
To
that.
try these squash pancakes.
Oh, you're on a mission.
Here these shits got avocado on them too.
I can't tell you anything.
Here we go.
Oh wow, those are pretty.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Dang, y'all fancy. All right, yeah, let's dissect it. So we have berries, granola, avocado
convinced.
spread, avocado.
Avocado spread, not guacamole.
All right, let's see.
It's different. It's good.
Do you like the avocados in there? I'm not sure. Let me put some syrup.
I mean,
Maybe that'll change
avocados
my
might
mind.
be like a little too bougie for me, but I understand the reasoning
When
behind
Callie put avocados on your pancake, let's see.
it. Right? It's good though. That's what this syrup is really good.
When you put the syrup on it, changes
What the
everything.
fruit?
I would have never thought to put these flavors together, but I'm not mad at it. All right, you ready to get back to the kitchen?
Do it.
30 minutes on the clock.
Yo,
Okay,
let's
thanks.
do this. Let's get this started.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Butternut squash
And
in the water.
there you go.
Boom. Okay. Flour. You need flour to make pancakes. So we have, whoa, beautiful
use that
berries.
You getting the berries already?
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
You scared?
Scared.
What does that smell? That fear? I smell fear.
Nah.
Is that you?
I think you just farted,
Is that
bro.
you, Zoe?
Berries. 20 minutes. All right. Easy little spin. Bro, I'm stressing out with this one, I'm not gonna lie.
Just keep on stressing.
I'm not stressing. I'm just trying to psych you out. Okay.
All right.
10 minutes? Oh my God.
Oh. Ah. Trying to be cool. Trying to be cool.
Move over here, please.
There you go. There
Alright.
you go, Uncle Rel.
All right.
Not too crazy.
I just need one good one. That's it. And flip. Okay. Oh my God. Woo! Okay.
We got 1 minute.
Okay.
How I should angle that?
Now.
Go ahead and strut. A minute left?
Stop
Go ahead
it.
and strut, peacock.
Have your moment. Have your moment
help?
right now.
You're good. That was good for you.
I don't even. All right, our girl Erin is here, and she's here to judge our squash pancakes with berries and avocado situation.
Feels as though I've already won. You don't know which one is which.
You keep saying
Oh,
that
God.
every challenge.
So this is not necessarily yours. And
No,
it's
no,
not-
no.
No. You're judging based off taste
Okay.
and presentation. So
Okay.
We'll be back here.
do your thing, girl.
Okay. Okay.
No
Thank
pressure.
you.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Okay, this is like, the presentation's gorgeous on both of these. This one's really heavy on the berries, which I love, heavy on the berries. Overall, presentation-wise, I like them both. I'm gravitating towards this one because of all the berries. I'm gonna start here. Okay. Same syrup, maybe? I like it. I like it. I like the guacamole on it. You can tell there's avocado in it, but it's not too strong. It's just the creaminess and a little, like creamy texture. Okay, that's good. Let's try this one. This one seems to be like a layer cake style. Let's try. Let's see what's going on in here. All right, here we go. Mmm. Oh my God, wait, hold on. Oh my God, okay. This is tough. Okay, I think I know which one I like. Presentation style, I think this one was beautiful. I think this one tastes the best because the avocado's mixed with like, I don't know, yogurt or cottage cheese or something. Yeah, I think I've got to give it to this one.
Cream cheese.
Oh,
Put cream cheese in the
You know
avocado.
what? You did a great job on the whole look, the extra berries.
Thank you.
It was a really close call.
I won.
But hey, honestly,
Thank
It was
you.
good.
Thank you. Man, it feels good to win.
All right, well, if you have a restaurant you want us to try, make sure you tag us.
And hashtag taste off so we can see it and try it in the kitchen and give it a go.
Yeah.
And for me to win again. Ha! Oh, it feels so good. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah.